At Mona, we're automating small business capital access with AI agents, helping small businesses find and secure best fit loans, grants, government funding, and resources on a continuous basis. We've already secured millions of dollars of affordable capital for small businesses across 100 plus cities in the US. My name is Andrew Leon Hanna. I've seen firsthand the power and impact and beauty of small businesses in our communities from my family story. So my parents immigrated from Egypt and started a primary care practice in my hometown in Jacksonville, Florida. Go Jaguars. And that's rare Jaguar fans. There's like 3 of us. And I saw firsthand the impact and the beauty that it created in changing the lives of thousands of patients and their families, and also in my family's opportunity set and economic mobility. I remember as a kid hanging out in this office, running through the halls with my dad, sitting in the lobby with him. He even let me do 1 or 2 surgeries on occasion, just the minor ones, nothing serious. And I saw the power that it had, and that led me to my career. So inspired by my family's story, I led financial inclusion work at McKinsey in the White House. I was on the founding team of a loan fintech that was acquired by MassMutual. And as Ben mentioned, I'm a professor at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business with a focus on this topic. While I did my JD at Harvard and my MBA at Stanford, I wrote a Financial Times Best Book of the Year about small businesses. My co-founder, Annie, led the AI coaching product at Headspace that scaled to millions of members and led SMB products at Microsoft, Gusto, and others. And our CTO, Amrita, led predictive ML teams at Uber, Amazon, GoFundMe. There is a $500 billion capital gap facing small businesses across the US today, the 36 million of them. And it's not because the funding's not out there, it's because it is painstakingly difficult to access that funding. So small businesses spend 5+ hours a week searching and applying for funding across fragmented sources manually, only to get rejected, often without any explanation at all. Consider our subscriber, Tanya, who runs a coffee shop here in the Bay. Tanya has spent over 1,000 hours on 100+ applications in just 4 years with limited success. With Mona, we've secured her over $65K in affordable capital that's been pivotal for her business, and that time spent has collapsed to basically no time. Mona is the only company that continuously finds and secures funding for small business with one simple application. Entrepreneurs submit a simple 2-minute Common App. They get matched to best fit funding opportunities. They get pre-filled applications done on their behalf, and they can manage their capital stack and get AI-led, human-driven coaching. We launched a subscription product 6 months ago in Q4 of last year, and we've already seen 40% month-over-month revenue growth, 90% retention at month 3, and all with $0 of ad spend. And we generate revenue through subscriptions, through lending referral fees, and eventually through embedded finance opportunities. We have some great go-to-market elements to it. We have some amazing partnerships like MasterCard. We're one of 2 companies found out last week to win the MasterCard USA Innovation Fund. Thank you. And we have some great influencers that reach SMBs at scale, including even a small business owner named Mark, who announced our launch in Detroit. We've served 5,000+ small businesses in a short span of time, and that's 80% of them are in low to medium income communities, 90% plus in BIPOC communities, and 80% plus of our subscribers are women. And in particular, we've seen massive increases in revenue post-funding and also survivability rate, which is pivotal for a family's economic mobility. And as we scale to reach tens of thousands more businesses, it's critical not just for the economic mobility of the small business family, but also for local communities, as small businesses create critical jobs in neighborhoods all across the country. And now is the time for this, particularly as capital access continues to grow more fragmented, and small businesses need a trusted support system. We're raising our seed round, and we're backed by amazing folks like MasterCard, Alpine Investors, and others. And ultimately, the heart of all of this is creating dignity, opportunity, and unity in our communities. Think about the impact of small businesses in your neighborhood and your community. These are unsung heroes. They create 2/3 of net new jobs in the United States, and they're the most powerful pathway to economic mobility for small businesses today, and the most accessible one. We are proud and honored to be in the corner of our small businesses, giving them the quality coaching and support they need, and getting them the funding they need at scale so that they can light up communities across this country and around the world. Thank you so much.